This is the new Canon XA10. It's kind of a semi-professional, high-end consumer camera. So it does 1080p. It has new optics, better optics.
When one fills up,
I'm not totally sure about exactly how it's
you also
better,
have
but
the ability to
it has a native kind of chip
at the
inside.
same time for one
Sensor that is native for 1080p video recording. So there's no like compression going on in the camera. It just
these cameras
natively compresses to the 24 megabit.
Format. So it's
This one
50
is the version with the
megabit
XLR.
422 color sampling. Drag and drop
like
native
this.
and all the timelines, NLEs, PC or Mac.
Right here.
So you also have 25, 35, and 50 megabit.
And here's
50 megabit, it's a 422 color standpoint.
it's blinking. So that's the quality of this.
I never thought about Canon. Now you got me thinking. This is good. I'm glad I came by
Here. And you have all these.
This camera has the 105. This is the 100. The 105
I would say
also has HDSDI out.
across all the
And,
brands.
Time code Gen1.
Not one, but
At a price point of around, the list price is going to be $4,300.
a lot of processing power.
No other camera on the market.
This is a prototype. It's not the finalized one.
Price point and form factor.
So they're tweaking
That's
the
422
quality
color
and stuff.
because we're doing. We're about to start a couple of shows where we need to be really light on our feet and running.
And you have a web button here, so you can export to web formats. Let's go to menu.
So it's in the building next to us.
So it's in the hall. You go in the hall, and you go that way. You'll see signs that say meeting rooms N100 and 109. You go down that hall. They'll be on the left.
Okay. After I look around,
Here you have 24 megabits,
You got it.
17, 7, 12, 5. Different qualities. And you can choose the frame rate as well. 24. You cannot convert scenes from HD to SD. 4. That's what you get. So it's coming in April.
That means that they all resolve an
Have
image
a dual
circle with a stackable
SD.
lens that's designed to completely fill a 35 millimeter still negative image plane. So on the 5D Mark II,
Maybe out.
since it has a full-size sensor,
It's probably an HDMI somewhere.
35 millimeter negative, if you put a 10 millimeter lens in front of it, it's going to be a full 10
HDMI out.
wide angle. Or the 1DS Mark III. However, if you
So there's also the HF G10, which is a lower price, no XLR, but the same optics, same everything, just not that XLR stuff going on. You see, it's kind of red, tinted. People around the people there's red. I don't know if it's something in the setting is wrong, or it's just a pre-production. You know, it's not finalized. In April, it's going to be finalized. I'm sure if that's a bug, that's not going to be there anymore. So this is a little bit more compact, $500 cheaper than the other one. The other one is $2,000. This is $1,500. Still HDMI here, and the focus puller, and the lens, wide angle lens. That's the HF G10 right here.